this video, I will show you how to delete story archive on Facebook. Firstly, you need to open up that application on your site. Then you need to tap on your right upper side on the three dots, and when you get there, you need to scroll right down and go for settings and privacy. When you get there, you need to go for settings, and right after you choose up this selection, you're gonna find out many different sites in which you need to go for your activity log. Now, as you can see right over here, it is on that selection. By getting up on all of these sites, now your information selection on the first side, you have activity log. Click on that selection, and now guys, you need to wait to get up right over here, in which, as you can see on your first side, you can choose up and take over your archive session. Just tap on it, and then it will shows up three different things, in which, as you can see on the first side, it is for your story. Go for story archive, and from here you can delete any site for that selection. For example, you will go with this one. Just tap on it, and then go on the three dots on your right upper side and go for delete photo. Get back with delete again, and now as you can see guys, I have deleted a story archive on Facebook.